Literacy Club fans, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. No, we would have been talking about a lot of things as it relates to the holistic development, and that's not that we are just merely giving you a preview as to what the holistic development is about. We have not talked about it in its entirety. Right, today we're going to talk about the modes of the holistic development. We're going to talk about the factors of the holistic development, and we would have already talked about the five strands of the holistic development. We would have already talked about the five stages of holistic development, and the five strands include the play, the stem, the biological data, the sexual engagement. We talk about those, and we talk about the modes that includes the word wall, the color board, the number square, the letter card, and the reflection. We talk about those areas, and we know that these are important in creating an activity based classroom. But what if you're not in a classroom setting? It is important in creating an area that can provide for factor zero to adulthood. And remember, we have to put in the adulthood in it, right? We have to put in the adults in it, right? So today we will talk about what is a word wall, what is a number square. I will know that a number square is a square square shaped paper that when you look at it, it has on different numbers on it. And what you do, you have some smaller numbers within a a container, right? It can be like a clear, a dark container, and you pick out of it, and whatever number comes up out of that container, you look on the number square to find it. And when you do find it, you can put a other number on it that does not have on any number, right? You can put on a piece of another mode on it that doesn't have on any number, and use it to mark that number on the number square. When you do that, when you pull out the number square, the idea is to get them to identify numbers, right? That that you want them to really identify, and also numbers that you if you are doing some calculations and you would have done the calculation for them, they can use that clear clear mode to identify the number on the number square. It can be used, you can use the number square also to do the different the subtraction, multiplication, division, addition, right? You as they look at it and you explain the scenario to them, they can identify, calculate it for themselves and identify it. And that's a fun activity that they will do. And as they do it, they're learning mathematics, they're learning calculation, they're learning subtraction, they're learning division, multiplication, and all of that, but in a fun filled way. And that mode you can use for factors three and upward. Okay, so subscribe, share, like the page, have fun. Talk about it, share it. Don't share the ideas, and share the page as we continue to give you more on the holistic development theory, engagement theory. Bye.